We are out in Bright, Victoria, the country. Literally feel like I'm out here in like Gilmore Girls or something. Gonna try to cook up an emo plug type beat because I feel like that's kind of appropriate. Go with the Gilmore Girls vibe. I'm feeling like Lorelei out here. I love coming to this town. It's like really close to where I live. This is kind of like my heritage. This is where my family grew up. Such a beautiful town. I'm just gonna pull up this bench or something and then see how much I can record. Oh, this bench is like wet. All right, I'm gonna find another bench. See how much I can record with this, like the battery on this camera, and then also the battery on my laptop. Yeah, I want to do videos like this a little bit more. I feel like when you just produce at home like day after day after day, and you like don't go out and see anyone, just staying inside all the time is just like debilitating when you don't see people and you don't interact with your environment. This is where we're gonna cook up. I'm gonna try and do more videos like this because I feel like when you're at home, you just kind of get stuck in your own head. At least I do, because I'm not interacting with other people, so I'm just thinking in my own head and I just overthink everything. I want to post as much as possible, but when I'm just like at home in my studio or whatever all the time, I just get in my own head and I like overthink the content. And I don't know, like maybe the content is boring because I'm in the same environment every single time, but just being out in the real world and like making eye contact with a stranger or saying hello, or like the transaction between like a cafe staff member or whatever. It's just those small things in life that like are why so many of us feel like anxious and depressed, because we like lacking what's natural to us. I'm gonna just pick like a better preset.